Hello, I'm Alexis from PreEmpt. Life today, I want to share my insights on transforming the chemical industry through sustainable solutions. The chemical industry stands at a critical crossroads. My research reveals three fundamental challenges: a lack of transparency across manufacturing processes, increasing regulatory pressures, and economic volatility. But within these challenges, I see remarkable opportunities for regeneration and growth. I've observed how blockchain technology is revolutionizing supply chain transparency. Companies are building unprecedented trust with stakeholders by creating immutable records of each transaction. In India, manufacturers implementing this technology have seen compliance rates improve by 40%, simultaneously reducing operational costs. The future I envision embraces what I call the chemical symphony, a harmonious balance between innovation, sustainability, and ethical practices. My analysis shows that companies adopting circular economy principles are experiencing not just environmental benefits, but competitive advantages as well. They're essentially turning the industry from a linear pipeline into a regenerative ecosystem. Advanced catalytic technologies are emerging as game changers. I've tracked how these innovations reduce energy consumption by up to 30% while minimizing waste. It's like watching alchemy unfold, transforming outdated methods into sustainable gold. But technology alone isn't enough. The workforce must evolve too. I've studied reskilling programs that prepare teams for this new landscape, blending digital expertise with sustainability mindsets. Chemical companies embracing these human-centered approaches are seeing engagement rise by 35%. The most fascinating pattern I've identified is how these changes create positive feedback loops. When transparency improves, it naturally enhances regulatory compliance. When circular principles take hold, resource efficiency follows. The entire system begins to amplify its own benefits. My research points to an urgent need for cross-industry collaboration. The companies breaking down silos and forming strategic alliances are moving fastest towards sustainability. They're creating shared platforms for innovation that accelerate everyone's progress. The chemical industry can transform from one of the world's most significant environmental challenges into one of its greatest sustainability success stories. The potential for regeneration is extraordinary, not just in reducing harm, but in actively restoring ecosystems through biomimetic processes and green chemistry. The path forward requires courage, vision, and commitment. But the rewards for business, society, and our planet are immeasurable. I'm Alexis, and I invite you to join me in reimagining the chemical industry as a force for positive transformation. Together, we can turn today's challenges into tomorrow's breakthroughs. For more information on sustainable solutions for the chemical industry or any other emerging challenges you may be facing, and to obtain the full and free report, contact us or register at PreEmpt.life. Thanks for watching.